The market theme. The latest Iran ceasefire deadline looms, yet markets are still complacent and investors are not hitting the panic button yet. US President Donald Trump says he expects to be bombing if progress is not made in Iran peace talks. So, Trump is insisting that he does not want to extend the ceasefire, which is due to expire on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Iran is preparing new cards on the battlefield if fighting with the US resumes. Our call of the day: market narratives could change fast. Nifty may trade with wild swings and most probably with negative bias, as investors walk a tightrope between easing geopolitical tensions and lingering uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz. Bottom line, expect heightened volatility as doubts over Middle East peace and energy supply risks keep sentiment on edge. Long story short, the return of risk. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 19 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 20 to 21 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate overbought technical conditions, hence profit booking is likely. F&O April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 17.53 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, was trading near 93.39 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 1.15 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.12. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.97. Mid-cap Nifty is at 1.20. Nifty outlook: the road ahead remains volatile and headline-driven. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,577. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,301 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,300 and 24,700. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Sensex, CMP 79,273. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 79,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,000 to 79,500. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,371. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,707 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 55,000 and 57,000. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Stock market news. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty comfortably reclaimed its 50 DMA, 24,377. Despite flaring Iran tensions, volatility remained elevated as Hormuz tensions lift all, stoking inflation and rate hike fears. Strictly speaking, Nifty could fire on all cylinders only if WTI crude cools below the $83 per barrel, as that would ease key macro concerns. This Wednesday, caution is the buzzword as diplomacy is seen flickering, keeping volatility elevated. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 earnings to trickle in. Wednesday, 22nd April. Havells, LTTS, OFSS, Tech Mahindra, SBI Life, Trent. 1. Nestle India, plus 7.27%, 1,380 rupees. Nestle India rallied after Q4 profit jumps 25.8% YoY. Nestle's Q4 FY26 standalone net profit rose 25.8% YoY and 9.4% QoQ to 1,114 crore rupees, while revenue surged 22.6% YoY and 19.1% QoQ to 6,748 crore rupees, reflecting strong growth momentum. 2. Prestige Estates, plus 2.10%, 1,403 rupees. Prestige Estates projects gained after the company said that it has recorded strong response to its recently launched residential project, Prestige Golden Grove, in Hyderabad.